Are you looking for an adventure? Experience an ATV adventure in the wilderness of the Canadian Shield with Bear Claw Tours. Bear Claw Tours half-day guided adventures come complete with electric shift four-wheel drive ATVs, all the gear, snacks, and full safety instruction. Thrill to the spectacular Canadian Shield scenery. It's incredible fun that's even better when wet. Call Bear Claw Tours at 746-9481 or visit bearclawtours.com. Can you come out and play?
Make it up.
I'm just working on here.
You've adopted a daughter?
Kind of daughter.
Okay guys, just stand right back in here. Okay there? Remember we have to cheer when they come up. Come on up here, Kurt.
Good job, buddy.
There you go. You just stand back in there. Okay, remember we have to cheer. You can even cheer for Kevin. Come on, Kevin, you can do it. Come on, Kev. Yeah, baby. Yeah, come on. Follow those ruts there. Follow those ruts there, Alice. Don't get too far to the left, okay? That's it, you got it. You got it. Woo! All right. Stay to the left here, Jay. Yeah. Woo! Stay to the left here.
Call Bear Claw Tours at 746-9481 or visit bearclawtours.com. Can you come out and play?